Hey everyone, I just received a new Vox box. This is actually my second one in about 2 weeks. And I'm really excited because I actually been dealing with like itchy scalp. It's kind of itching bad. And the thing they sent me was this Dark and Lovely Tension Tamer. And it's basically for protective styles. And it says it's for braids, weaves, wigs, and locks. And it has a lotion with cooling sensation. And it also helps ease hair tension. And so this is what it looks like. And it came with, of course, a nice insert. If you can see that. Dark and Lovely. And I actually thought that it was perfect. I got this today because voila, I'm wearing a protective style, which is basically just kind of a goddess braid thing I got going on that I put in. And so I wanted to try it and let's see how it works, shall we? So it's like mostly like a clear gel type thing. So I'll put some in the middle here. Oh, already it feels cool to the touch. Like you can really feel the peppermint in here. I'm just gonna rub it in. Guys, it actually feels really, really good. And it says you can use it twice daily or as needed. Just apply to the scalp and rub it in. And it actually feels really good. Even right now, it still feels very, very cool. It feels like kind of like a peppermint tingly, definitely not itching at all. And so I'm going to be using this twice a day like it says. And see if like the next week, if I really have no more itching. I also used it on my daughter's hair, who actually has box braids right now. She's 14. And I kind of put it on, in between her box braids on the scalp. And she rubbed it in, she massaged it in. She actually said it felt really, really nice. So very excited and so glad that I was sent this. Again, it's from Dark and Lovely. And I received it in my influencer box. It looks like this. So it's from Influencer. And yeah, and they have other products as well that I definitely would like to try here. They have a, let's see here, refreshing spray and also a detangling cream. And so I definitely would like to try those as well. If you have Influencer and received this, please comment below. I would love to know how you like it. Also, if you just have bought this or tried it out, just let me know. I'm not gonna lie, I love it so far, especially with protective styles. You have tight braids, they itch, locks, just regular wigs when you're putting your wig on, when you braid it. This is gonna be really good for the scalp, and so I love it. I give it a 10 out of 10 for now. So thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. And again, like, subscribe, and let me know how you like it or if you have used it before. Thanks.